It's your girl Felicia Marie, and the last time I posted a video, this is what my hair was looking like. I was rocking my small traditional locks with my retwist and trying to make it work. And then, yep, I changed my hair again. I like it. Hey, it's me, Felicia Marie, and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I did changed it up a little bit. Just want to show you guys what is going on with my hair. I needed this. I needed some movement. I needed some volume. So that's what your girl got, okay? These are not the locks that you saw the last time I posted, but for those of you who called it, yup, the takedown. Y'all, but for real this time, I promise you, I'm gonna give this a shot. These are slightly bigger than my MICROLOCS that I had my first journey. The parts, they're much bigger. I just simply needed them to blow in the wind, and my small traditional locks was not giving me the that I needed. Feeling confident, I just stretched my hair out. I did a 2-point rotation interlocking on my roots just to solidify everything. Yeah, y'all, here we are. I'm loving it. I am loving it. I am loving it. I am loving it. So, you know, just a quick little update. I'll keep you guys posted. Not making any promises. I'm going to wash them. Haven't figured out braiding or banding and all that yet. Yeah, so feeling myself. That's all you need to know, is that I'm feeling myself. And I did go back in and trim my ends some more. I wanted to shape it up some. Focusing still on this part of my hair, this middle section of my hair. And back here, which was a lot. Look at those gaps. Notice that my hair was a lot finer after my takedown. Back here, there's some sparse areas there that I'm kind of watching. So I based my parting on what I could do in the back, because there's just fewer strands of hair. And so I couldn't really line them up in blocks or squares the way that I wanted to. So I just did a staggered grid pattern, which I'll get into another video. And then same thing up through my sides, just kind of tried to focus on making sure they were squares. So whether there are larger parts or smaller parts, I wanted to make sure that they were as perfect to a square as I could, for having still the ultimate solid foundation that I wanted. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited. I will keep you guys posted. Just wanted to touch bases with you real quick. Hope you're doing great, but I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye.